What's up guys, Thomas here, TP Parts Rc-Xtreme. Time for the ESC and motor swap on the Losi 5ive-Be. You know, the harbor wing system, the Max 5 caught fire a while ago. So, sorry, Castle system, their new all XLX2, and I decided to go with the 1100 kV motor. So, turn those off. So this is the Leopard V2 110-950, and the pinion came loose, like always. So, this is the 19-tooth pinion, which I'm not gonna use due to the higher kV. So I think around 15, 16 or so. See if it will kind of equal, I'm not sure. So we shall see if we have some. I hope so. Yes. So, see if we can get this bad boy out. Oh, I'll be. Easy piece of cake. I think I'm gonna open up this one. The bearings, I don't feel any axial play at all, but I think there's a lot of dust and debris in this one, so it needs to be deep clean. Yeah. So, 19-tooth motor mount, as you can see, not too much space, but that's all I got. So next step is, I'm not sure. Yeah, it's the servos. I need to redo them. Since the carbon bracket from the actual conversion kit has broken 2 times, and I added some glass fiber, but of course it didn't hold up. Yeah, it's dirty. I use my cars, I normally clean them, but after that fire, and as you can see, this one needs to be fixed also. Yeah, broken. question is, yeah, we're gonna take it from this. So even if I like it, so but as you can see, it's all machined CNC 775 T6. I'm not sure if I'm going single or double. I need to, yeah. So as you can see here, guys, fixed numerous times, didn't last. But the servo working real well. So take time. That needs to be done. Yeah, just one more. Let's see if we do single or double. Search for stock. Best amount. Which I guess version they are aluminum 51 stock. I think also we're able to have them. I think it's also being negotiated. I'm not sure. I would say time will tell. Still. Yeah. Good thing off. This one can be removed. I need some new fans. Well, they still work, but losing blades all the time. So that's it for now. I mean, it's a 5th scale. I mean, the drivetrain, it is so smooth and light. No winding here. So